When I started creating these videos, my goal was not to sell cars. So I sit there and it's just I'll make my videos based off of what I see people wanting and complaining about. And you know, if like in a Corvette, you could rub the edge of a seat and cut it, and because of the side bolster. So I just like, here's how you set my Corvette.
Okay. And I want to interrupt here because if it's okay, because I believe there are people in each industry. Everyone watching here is in a different industry.
That's right.
Where they want to help someone. They got into this business. Yeah, they want to make money, but they're doing this particular job because they want to help somebody learn how to. They know what they know how to do in that particular type of job. And there are people all over the world who want to do that. And Mike is showing by example in a sell business that helping actually helps you sell.
Yeah,
I think that's
and
a very
if a car
powerful
salesman
message.
can do it, a car salesman can do it who is very low on the totem pole of people they trust. Anybody can do it, you know.
So Tom, go for it.
Yeah, I think as well, it's probably the number one tip that I give, because although I worked in the entertainment industry, I've worked with a lot of brands and companies that do sell, and their purpose of being on YouTube is to sell products. And the number one tip that I give them is that you need to, when you create a video, you need to create a video to deliver value, so that if the mention of your product was removed, it would still deliver value. So if Mike was giving a talk about, you know, how to sit properly in the Corvette, if he never mentioned that he was a car salesman or that he worked for his particular dealership, that viewer would still be able to get that exact same value from that video. Because what a lot of times companies will just, instead of running a channel, they will just run what I would like to just call like a repository for their adverts. And that is not a video.
That happens all the time, doesn't it?
That's not a strategy.
And if you watch
that's just a broadcast.
Particularly in automotive, it happens.